Yes, yes. Out there again, people. Yeah. TV knockings as usual. TV have to get knocked. Big up Julien. Tia, we are waiting for see right now. Tia, we don't want to see Shakari. We don't really want to see Shakari. Wait here, there. People, me still vex. See Tia over there, so. People, me still vex. Shelly no make it. I know what's going on, but I still can't tell more about. I still feel like such an injury. Something going on, people. Something going on, but it is what it is. Come on, Tia. Shut the world, Tia. My body under pressure. People, my body under pressure. But don't quiet for you, start. Quiet. Quiet. Me can't quiet. Come on, Tia. Boy, Tia. Come on, Tia. Get on me that, Tia. Oh my God, get on me that. Oh my God. Alfred. 1072.
The guy said that she was gonna
Beat up Shakari. Remove. Tia, you did well. But more Professor Shakari. More Professor. Big up yourself. One Caribbean. Then shot the side. Then shot. One Caribbean. Yes, Julien. One Caribbean. Big up yourself, my girl. We don't want Tia get it, but big up yourself, Julien. One Caribbean. Everybody predict it, you know. Say they're going to run 10. They say Tia going to run 10-7-2, you know. But big up yourself, Julien. What do you feel like? What a second place. What a second. Yes, man. Well done. Mash up them patty shop. Mash up them patty shop.
Yes.
Mash up them patty shop. One Caribbean, we say, man. Both from Mr. Shakari. Yeah, man. Humble thyself. Humble. Take a silver medal and go have several seats. Thank you very much. Big up yourself, Julien. One Caribbean, we say.